Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to set up the Cirrus 3D Prints Starlink Mini mount in an SR22 G6. Let's get started. Here's the discrete box that it's going to come in case you don't want your neighbors knowing what you're getting. All right, so here's what we have inside the box. We've got a couple of tubes. Those are our mounts for those tubes. This is a mount that goes up near the window. That's it. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's start the assembly process. I'm going to make sure that this is seated well. Then for here, we have these 3 screws that we'll be using to attach. Let's head over to the plane, get this thing in. All right, so here we are in the back of the luggage compartment in the Cirrus. We've got these reels here, and then our attachment mount up at the top. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. You can see that these are just these rubber feet here, and they attach to the metal bracket where the reel is held, but it just slides over it. That allows you to take it in and out easily, so it's not a permanent fixture. This next phase is taking this body here and attaching it to this bracket here. So we're going to place that over here. So we see our screw hole lined up in the back there. That just really easily fit right in and screws in easily. So now we've got that attached. We just take the arm, work that in. Same side, same thing on this side. And we'll just screw it in. Pretty easy. Let's grab the Starlink Mini and see if we can get that in just as easily. Take the screw out. The Allen wrench is secure on the back of your Starlink version 2 mount. When you are ordering the Cirrus 3D Prints product, you need to make sure to specify whether you're getting a version 1 or a version 2. Okay, so here we are. We're going to install that pole mount onto the back of the Mini before I put it into the Cirrus 3D Prints product. Let's go ahead and do that. So for this, to remove this, we just pinch here and give it a pull. This will just slide right on in. One-handed. All right, got our Allen wrench, got our screw. Let's go ahead and attach this. So to make sure that it gets in a lot easier, make sure that these aren't too tight and that your back's a little bit loose as well. That'll allow you to slide it, adjust it a little bit in case you need to get this down. So let's go ahead and put our Starlink Mini on. It's gonna be gentle, I don't want damage to the window there. That sits in nice. I'm gonna put my cable on the back side here. Go ahead and get that tightened up so it's good and secure. All right, we'll tighten up everything else. 1, 2, and 3. It's that easy. Pretty simple installation. Seems pretty sturdy to me. Don't think that's going anywhere. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see how it works in the real world.